Hello there. Welcome to My British Garage. We'll be covering maintenance, general restoration, and some tips and tricks about maintaining these cars. Make them a lot less scary. So a lot of folks are intimidated by them for really no reason. They're four wheels and an engine, but they're done just a little bit different, the British way, which makes it a little bit sketchy from time to time, but maybe a little more labor intensive, but not any more difficult than average American cars. I've got a 1977 and a 1979 Rolls Royce Silver Shadow and a Triumph TR4 that will be moving in and out of periodic maintenance and repair on all of these cars, and covering these for tips and tricks to make it a little bit easier and less intimidating for the general public to maintain these cars and restore them, and to build up the confidence of people to want to buy these cars and preserve them and be a good steward and pass them forward for other folks to enjoy. I hope you enjoy my channel. I'm Philip, and again, this is My British Garage. I hope you join me.